to you. I'm Scott Thuman. A woman tells 7 News that her dog died during a vet visit, and then her pet's remains were lost while being shipped off to a lab to determine the cause of death. As our Carl Willis reports, her grief doesn't end there.
The photos of the smiles and the cuddles bring back fond memories of her dog, Coco.
He's my sweet little boy. He was my dog, and I loved him so much.
But the memories and a few keepsakes are all she has left now, after Jennifer Gutierrez says her 8-year-old Chihuahua never made it out of this Banfield Pet Hospital in Kensington, Maryland, after going in for a dental cleaning 2 weeks ago.
You think everything's gonna be okay, and then we're hours later just saying goodbye out of nowhere.
And Coco passing away about a month after a clean physical, and after Banfield tells me he passed a pre-anesthesia test, was only the beginning for her.
They offered to send him for a necropsy to find out what had caused his death, and it was supposed to be priority overnight shipping through FedEx.
But his remains never arrived at the lab. It turns out, according to her, the package was damaged and was tossed out.
I bought an urn, a place to put him, and there's nothing to put there now. Why would they throw him away? Why wouldn't they send him back or contact them? Like, just to think that my dog is in the trash is honestly what kills me the most.
7 News is also asking questions of Banfield Pet Hospital. First of all, what went wrong? Second, what are they doing now to ensure that no other families go through this? Banfield tells me they will work to support Gutierrez. They also wrote in a statement, "We are looking into this situation with our third-party providers to identify ways to help prevent such occurrences in the future."
Just the lack of communication, the lack of accountability, and it's crazy. Who treats dogs like this?
Carl Willis, 7 News.
7 News also reached out to FedEx, and they just sent us a statement saying, quote, "We extend our sincere condolences to Mrs. Gutierrez for this heartbreaking situation, as we understand the importance of people's pets in their lives. The safe and secure delivery of our customers' shipments is a top priority, and we are investigating this matter internally."